Okay, today I'm showing you how to remove the barrel from this oldie but goodie, the FX Royale. The Royale and Boss series are not interchangeable caliber. They are a specific caliber. They have specific parts on the internals for each caliber, so we will not be removing the pellet probe. It'll just be the barrel. Alright, to start out with, same as the Crown and Dreamline, this screw back here is just a plug, but it might be tightened down so the barrel can't be removed. So again, you just need to maybe back this out, maybe 1 or 2 threads, just enough to loosen pressure off the barrel. For the Royale series though, and the Boss, it is actually a 3mm, this rear one, rather than 4. It's a 3mm. So this one was loose actually, so that already tells me that there's no pressure on the barrel, so no worries there. Then these two front ones, instead of a 3mm, they are 2.5mm. So we're going to take our 2.5. Oh yeah, those were in there tight. So we're going to snap those loose. You don't have to remove those screws once again. Then you're going to slide your barrel on out. So for the Royale series, for the Royale and Boss series, there's no notch. There's no notch on the end of the barrel. What there is instead, at the very top, there is this little dot right here. That'll show you where to line up. Also, you can normally see the scars from the bolts. So that's gonna actually how you line it up. So you're gonna stick it in there, that little notch facing directly up, along with the scars, and that's what's gonna line up your transfer port. You're gonna slowly slide it in, make sure it's nice and lubed up. You don't want to go in too far, just so that it barely sticks into the action, just like that. And what you can do now is go ahead and back out. Oh, my bad. As I said again, 2.5mm. Go ahead and back out these top screws. And look down in there to see if you're lined up with your previous scars. So I needed to rotate a little bit, pull it back a little bit, and there you go. Now I'm lined up. So now I can just take my screws back. And there you go. We're going to start with the front one. Always torque down that one first to line up the barrel right. And this one back here to make sure that the barrel is lined up right and that it's flat, it's even. Alright, so both these are torqued down now. Now we just need to go back to our 3. Make sure that one's down in there. Once again, it doesn't have to be touching the barrel. So you go down and touch the barrel and then back it out about a 1/4 turn. And there you go. That's the FX Royale. Thanks for watching.